Hi, this is Mr. Titzel. I'm going to be talking about the retakes for American cultures for my class. So you can retake any summative assessment. They're the assessments that count for a grade. Basically, you would see me. You'll pick up a paper. We will be doing quite a few after any summative assessments. A lot of summative assessments, I should say, this year. We're going to be doing some reflection pieces on these summative assessments to think about, what questions we got wrong, why we got it wrong. Was it a lack of studying? Did we misunderstand the question? I want you to really think about why you got the question wrong. And everybody's going to be doing that for a lot of these. I'm not saying every single summative assessment, but for many of the summative assessments, we're going to be doing that. So, but if you want to do the retakes, you're going to need to get a form to get signed by your parent or guardian. You're going to definitely need to have done that reflection piece, and there will be a remediation that will need to take place, and that means kind of like, it's not necessarily like reteaching, but you have to spend a little bit of time with the material that was tested, just to make sure you do better the next time, because it would be a big waste of time if you don't do any better the next time. And then you would retake. You would schedule time with me, and you would retake. Now, hopefully this doesn't happen that often. And if I see that someone is retesting every single time, we're going to have a talk about why that is necessary, because we're going to have to start talking about your study habits the first time. What can we do to improve, for example, preparation for a test? What are the things that are tripping you up maybe on the assessments that you continually need to retest? Are you not studying? Is it your study habits? Is it test anxiety? Whatever it might be. And then we're going to have to put a plan in place to maybe improve that. But bottom line is this: you can retest any summative assessment, but it really falls on you as a student to be responsible, to see me, to get the form to take home, to get signed by the parents, to do some remediation, whatever it's going to look different for each assessment, to get that done, to see me. Oh, and you have a week to do the retesting. So that's pretty standard across the 8th grade American Cultures classes. So if you have any questions, you can email me or see me in person. That's the retesting policy.